everyone, I'm Icha, a content creator who lives nature and adventure stories, and I share my mini videos on my Instagram, Facebook, and sometimes YouTube. I like this moment, so relaxing, peaceful, in my garden. Look at my garden. Look, this is my garden. And I can see the wonderful sunset. Look, that's a wonderful sunset. So beautiful and wonderful. I like that. In my opinion, hiking is more exciting than staying at home every time because it's boring and I can do thing I can do anything in my room. So I just go out to hiking. The first mountain I climbed was Mount Sumbing in Magelang. I think, Mount Sumbing is the one of the most wonderful mountain I ever visit in my life. Like this, I like to spend time with myself because it makes me feel comfort, make me feel peaceful and relaxing. Exploring nature is different from spending time in crowded cities because it makes me feel calmer and more peaceful. By the way, traveling with friends is as have fun as traveling alone because both experiences are memorable. Guys, the sky is getting dark and hello everyone, now I'm back home and let's continue the story we're talking about earlier. Before that, I have one question for you. What preparation do you usually make before traveling? What? For me, I always prepare healthy first and then safety gear and of course information about the destination before traveling. Many nature videos are shared on my social media during my trips. Oh guys, when I visit a new place, I always feel like I'm so excited to create about it. I'm happy to do that, to do something I like. Yeah, create a video, natural video. And if I were influencer, professional influencer, I would introduce hidden place in Indonesia. By the way guys, I also wish I could become famous content creator who travel around the world and share beautiful place with others, with you all, everyone. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you guys.